The topic we are now going to discuss is extractive metallurgy. Under this, we'll be discussing extraction of some important metals. Before that, I would just classify metallurgy and try to make it clear which metal falls in a particular category. Metallurgy, you can classify this into three categories: hydrometallurgy, then you have pyrometallurgy, and you have electrometallurgy. In hydrometallurgy, we extract metal from aqueous solution by metal displacement reaction. We put more active metal and the less active metal comes out. Here we have two important cases to discuss: silver and gold. These two metals we are going to extract by what is called as hydrometallurgy. You will learn about details about what is hydrometallurgy and how these metals are extracted in the next section. Then under pyrometallurgy, we have two categories again: auto reduction and we have carbon reduction. In auto reduction, metal sulfide reduces its own oxide. If a sulfide of a metal reduces its own oxide, then you call it auto reduction. Here we will be talking about two cases: copper and lead. These two metals are extracted by what is called as auto reduction. Then you have carbon reduction. Here we either use carbon or carbon monoxide as a reducing agent. If carbon or carbon monoxide is responsible for reduction, it is described as carbon reduction. These two come under pyrometallurgy because we subject the ore to high temperature. Here we will be learning about extraction of zinc, iron and tin. These three cases we are going to discuss under carbon reduction. Under electrometallurgy, we will be talking about magnesium and aluminium. So we are going to discuss extraction of these metals under these categories one by one. We'll start with hydrometallurgy. The two important metals which are extracted by this method are silver and gold.